Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning unit 10. Its title is The Ant and the Grasshopper. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skills, we are going to learn how to express joy while playing. Before this, we have already learned how to express our joy, sadness, or anger, how to express different emotions. In your Unit 9, I have taught you, I hope you remember this concept. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today, we are going to learn to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of group oral interactions to express enjoyment while playing. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a beautiful hadith mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari, verse hadith number 10, narrated by Abdullah bin Amr. The Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands. Yes, my dear students, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ is teaching us that we should not hurt others. We should not harm others. With our tongue means we should not say bad words to other, because beta, it also hurts. If we say something bad to other, they will feel bad. So we should not say bad words, and we should not hurt others with our hand. We should not hit others, right? So what we are learning, we should speak good to everyone, and we should not hit anyone, even if we are playing. Right? Because when you are playing, you become very excited and you start pushing and speaking. So we should not do it. Even when we are playing, we should stay nice. This is what we are learning from this hadith, and our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ has taught this to us. Right? So we are going to learn how to express enjoyment, and before that, you tell me what is happiness. And when do you express happiness and joy? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, happiness is an emotion, right? And whenever we do something with which we are happy, we show it. We become happy and we show it. And the best thing is to recite Quran. When we are reciting Quran, it gives us happiness, right? We become happy. And how do we express it? Beta, how should we express it? We should say, Alhamdulillah, Allah gave us opportunity to learn Quran, right? Likewise, if you are playing with your friend or with your siblings, you become happy. How do you show it? You, from your body language, you smile, you laugh, you jump. That's very good. But beta, when you are doing all these things, what we should be careful about? That we should not hurt others, okay? And when we are learning something new, it gives us happiness. Wow, we learned it. You see, this is, so that's also a good thing. We should be happy and we should express it nicely. Good. And when we are doing something, like we are doing a hobby, for example, one likes to grow plants. So when you are doing that, or whatever is your hobby, when you do it, it makes you happy. You should express it nicely, okay? When you are with your friends, you are in a park, you are in a picnic, it gives you happiness and you become very happy. Still better, yes, we should be happy, but when we are happy, we should be careful about others as well. We should not say any word which other can feel bad about, and we should not do anything which can hurt others. Do you understand? So this very thing we should remember when playing. Okay, so how we'll practice it? we'll practice it from your book. So all of you open your book on page number 89. Let's see, what does your book say about it? You see, two friends are playing and one is saying, what a shot. Yes, you should be like, wow, what a shot. But it does not mean like you say, wow, what a shot. You see, you can't do it. No, no. But we should not hurt others, means we should not say bad thing about others. We should, yes, we can say good things about, I played very well. Wow, that's it. We should be happy. Okay. The other one is saying, yeah, I scored another goal. Wow, I scored another goal. This is how, when we are playing, we hit, like we play, we can tell this, we have done it nicely. Okay. And when someone is playing well, what should we do? We should appreciate, wow, wow, how nicely you hit it. You are a good player. We should appreciate each other, right? This is how. So when someone else is doing well, we should, good job, you have done it. You played very well. Wow, right? And when we are playing, we can say, wow, I played very well, but we should not hurt others. Okay, are you getting it? Okay, so I'll check it how you have. Hurrah! We have won the trophy. Yes, be happy. We have won the trophy. But don't say to others, you did not do. No, no, better we will not do it. Okay, this is how we should be happy for ourselves. And if someone else, the other one is doing good, we should say well done to others as well. Are you getting it? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, teacher will divide class in two teams. So teacher will make two teams in the class, and then teacher will take the teams to playground. Okay, now we are going to play a game. Students will play a match and teacher will observe them for expressing enjoyment while playing. Now we are going to check you, whatever you have learned in the classroom, will you follow it in the playground? So pause the video, enjoy the activity, play nicely, express your enjoyment nicely. Okay, so pause the video. When you are done with this activity, kindly come back. Yes, my dear students. Wow, good job. Now all of you settle down, go back to your seats, sit down and take a deep breath. Good, relax. Now I'm going to give you a homework, and what you will do at home, play a game with your siblings, friends or cousins, whoever is available at home. Request your parents to observe you expressing enjoyment while playing. Record this activity to share with your teacher. This is your homework. And here is a project. You will complete this project. Beta, this project is for this weekend. You will complete, this is in your book, so you will follow the instructions. You will do this project on this weekend, and on coming Monday, you will bring this in your school. So here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students. And my dear students, by looking at the picture, you will tell which one is a right way and which one is a wrong way. Okay. So what we have learned today, we understood the concept of expressing joy while playing, and we practiced use of common conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to express enjoyment while playing. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of group oral interactions to express enjoyment while playing. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. So that's it for today, beta. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.